channel, it's me Pragya, and in today's video I will be sharing with you the review of this Lakme 9 to 5 Aloe Aqua Gel. So this is a moisturizer from Lakme, and I will be sharing all the details about this product in this video, and whether I like it or not, and whether you should buy it or not, and whether this is worth the money. And if you are interested to know all that, please keep on watching this video till the end, and without any further delay, let's quickly jump into the video. So guys, I just want to give a little disclaimer about this video at the beginning, because when a skincare product or a makeup product doesn't suit in my skin, it doesn't mean that it will not suit in anyone else's skin, because everyone's skin type is different and everyone's skin problems are also different. So some products may suit on my skin but they may not suit on your skin, and vice versa. So don't think that whether a product is not working for me, it will not completely work for you also. So don't think that. And personally, if you ask me, I really love Lakme as a brand, especially their makeup products. I really love them, and I don't have any hate for Lakme. So I am saying all this thing because I don't like this product as I has expected that. I think that I would love this because it is a good moisturizer, and it also claims that you can use this as a primer. So I bought this, and I bought this from Nykaa, and this retails for 200 rupees, and I got this on I think 170 rupees only. So this is a really affordable moisturizer if I say. And the packaging is again really very nice. It is a cardboard packaging with a very nice duochromatic effect on it. So it is pink and it fades to a light greenish color. As you can see, the packaging is really very nice. I really love the packaging. And when you open it, here is the product. So this packaging again looks very nice. But guys, I want to say one thing, that this packaging looks really nice and it looks big. But when you turn it down, just see guys, this space is completely hollow. So you are getting the product this much. So it's the actual product quantity you are getting, but it gives the illusion that you are getting a big tub like this. So that's a really very disappointing point for me, because when someone buy this thing from any other website online or in some local stores, they will think that they are getting a good amount of product, but actually they are getting this much of product. So I don't know why Lakme are fooling their customer by doing these things. So I have a little problem with that, but the packaging looks nice. So if I talk about the product now, I really like it as a moisturizer, because when I apply it on my skin, after few times my skin really feels hydrated and soft. That's okay. But after I apply it for the first few seconds, my skin feels really very warm, and I can't really explain the feeling, the sensation which I feel after applying this. It feels like it gives a type of burning sensation all over my skin. It feels that my skin is releasing heat. I can't even explain how this feels on my skin, and I don't know what is this. I mean, this is a good moisturizer, no doubt, but I don't know whether it is my skin or not, because I really have very sensitive skin. So maybe for that reason this doesn't suit on me, but this doesn't mention that it will not suit on sensitive skin. This is for all skin type, and especially gel products is really good for sensitive skin. At least for me, I really love gel kind of products to apply on my skin. I don't like normal cream moisturizers because my skin is really very oily and sensitive. But this feels really very weird when I apply it on my skin. I don't like the feeling of it at all. And it is claimed to be applied as a primer. So I have also used it as a primer. Actually, I basically bought it to use it as a primer. I don't need moisturizer because I have already some of them. left in my vanity, and I bought it to apply it as a moisturizer, and I really wanted to try this, that how it works as a primer. So I have used it before applying my foundation. I will say that it really does a good job as a primer, because when I apply it on my skin, I will not say that this blur outs my pores. This doesn't do that, but it really creates a nice base for your foundation, and the foundation really sits well on your skin. So that's a thumbs up for this. But the sensation when I apply it on my skin is not good at all. I don't like it for that purpose. So I will give a thumbs down for this product. At least this doesn't work for my skin. And if you have dry skin, or maybe if you have any other skin type, this may suits you. I don't know how it works on you. And please let me know in the comment section below whether you have tried this product in your life anytime, and how this works for you, and whether you have any complaint about this product or not, and whether you like it. Please let me know. I will love to know your experience. And so that is it about the product, and let me now show you the texture of it. So you are getting a lid, and here is the product. So the smell of this product is really very nice, guys. I really love the smell. And most of the Lakme products, whether it is a skincare product or a makeup products, they have their artificial fragrances little bit or little more, but I like the fragrance of this one. This really smells nice, and it is claimed to be made of 100% pure aloe vera gel. So here is the texture. The texture really feels very nice and smooth. I love the texture. This feels really very smooth and kind of watery. This is not sticky at all, and this is not very thick. So this is a very good moisturizer, and this also works well as a primer, but not on my skin. I mean, the sensation is, oh my god. So guys, this is really a good moisturizer, because after I applied, my skin feels soft after like 30 seconds or more. When the sensation is slightly gone, my skin really feels soft and hydrated. So this is a good moisturizer, I can say, and this is also a good primer. But if you have large pores, you can't use this as a primer, because it doesn't blurs out your pores at all. But if you have really small pores, then you can use it as a primer, because it is really very cheap as a primer, because normally primers comes in a very higher price, like 500 or above that. So at that case, this is just for 200 rupees, and I got this on 170 rupees, and that's a less cheaper. So guys, if you want to buy this product, I will attach all the links I found of this product in my description box below, so you can go and check it out. And I will not say that this is a bad product, it's just that it doesn't work for me. So that's it guys. And if you like this video, don't forget to give this a big fat thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and share these videos with your friends. And do let me know in the comment section below what you think of my videos, and if you have any further suggestions for my videos, also let me know that. And also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. The links will be in the description box below. And until next time, stay happy, stay safe, and stay tuned. Bye bye guys.